guys, my name is Vicky from Victrolia Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet V-stitch. So we're going to need some scissors, your tapestry needle and a hook. I'm using a 5mm hook and a worsted weight 4-ply yarn. And this stitch is worked in multiples of 2 plus 2 for the base chain. So I'm going to do 18 chains. So slip knot, add it to my hook, and chain 18. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, now we're going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to do 2 double crochets into that chain. 1, 2. Now we're going to skip the next chain and do 2 double crochets into the next. 1, 2. Okay, we're going to do the same all the way across. Skip a chain, 2 double crochets into the next. 1, 2. Skip 1, 2 double crochets into the next. 1, 2. Skip 2 double crochets into the next. 1, 2. Skip 2 double crochet into the next. 1, 2. Skip 1, 2 into the next. Until you're left with 2 chains left. Then you're going to skip 1 and do 1 double crochet into the last one. Okay, so it'll look like this. Now we're going to chain 3. Turn our work, and instead of working in the top of the stitches, we're going to be working between these little V's we've created with the 2 double crochets. And inside each one of this space right here, we're going to do 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into that space between those 2, and do 2 double crochets. 1, 2. See how that works? So the next ones will be between these 2 double crochets. These are your V stitches we're creating. See? And then again in the next 2 double crochets all the way along. Oops. And then you're just going to do a double crochet in the top of the chain 3 and chain 2, 3 and turn. And again in between those V stitches, 2 double crochets, and just keep doing this till you get the height of the project you're working on, be it a blanket, scarf, a swatch, whatever it is you're working on. So you're just creating this V stitch with these 2 double crochets and then the row above, you're just going to work between each of those V stitches. All the way along, and then your ends, a double crochet in the top of your chain 3 for the side, chain 3, turn your work, and again working your V stitches in every one of these, and then a double crochet for the side. Keep doing that and come back when you get to your size of your swatch or the end of your project, and we'll meet back here. Okay, so I finished my swatch and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows total to get my 4" by 4". See, and it gives a pretty nice lacy look to it, and it works up pretty fast as well. It's a good one if you want to do a nice quick blanket for a baby shower or a scarf for a gift. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos. Bye guys.